Alright, welcome back to the channel. It's been a very long time. I just want to say I'm fine. And we're here with a Porsche 963 Le Mans 2024, the Penske Motorsport, what did they call it? The anniversary, right? The 75 years of Porsche doing the 24 hours of Le Mans. This is the 2023 963. Pretty interesting livery. There was a set with 3 of these cars from Mini JT, but today we're just gonna look at one of them, and it's number 75, which didn't win Le Mans, so pretty interesting. Let's just get this open. This is a China box, as you can see with the little China sticker here, this China sticker here. Yeah, I've started to buy these China boxes, and yeah, I really stopped buying Mini GTs and 164s in general recently. But I did get some that I did not film. Should I show them first or after? God damn. Well, there you go. I'm struggling to open this box. Here it is. Porsche 963. So this is going to be my first Le Mans, my 4th Le Mans car from Mini GT. Previously, they were all F1 GTRs. And look at this. It's pretty neat. Very colorful. Very large as well. A Le Mans car. Is that oil? No. No leaking here. Which is nice. Let's see. The base. Oh, this is pretty interesting. As you can see, some plastic bit instead of metal. Very interesting. This is plastic instead of metal. Very interesting. That's the first time I've seen this on a Mini GT. So, you've had the licensing here. 2024 Porsche 963 used under license, made in China, Mini GT. Pretty simple, minimalistic design. Unfortunately, no tail lights on the back. It's just black. Just black. Unfortunately. Yeah. Gloss black. Very nice his wing. This is metal. Is it metal? It looks like metal. I'm pretty sure it is metal. Which is pretty nice instead of plastic. They've made more effort here. Massive wing. As you can see. Ooh, do I have a paint defect? I might have a paint defect. Oh no. You got that white dot on the back. Oof. Yeah. Very fortunate. The exhaust, pretty simple, nothing special. It is silver, not white. The camera makes it look white, but it is silver. You got the aired out wheels here on each side at the front as well. But when you come at the front, this is where the car starts to get nicer. I don't really like those Le Mans cars. Oh my. A bit of defects here today. Not very perfect, this car. But when you come to the front end, it starts to look much better. Really love these aired out to air out the tire. You got a hole in the bodywork. Very cool. Just get heat out of those tires. No brakes. It's Mini GT. Wow, it does roll pretty well. Okay, at the back, less so, but hey. Pretty nice. You got Michelin branding on the tire, on the sidewalls here. Pretty nice, massive hole here. Pretty accurate to the real car. But from far, it has that really nice colorful look. Very nice. 75 here, you can see on the car. Tiger branding. We got the hypercar logos. We got everything. We got everything on it. Pretty solid. Let's give it a little roll test. Pretty decent. I didn't put much force into that. Pretty decent. Pretty decent. Not bad for a Le Mans car from Mini GT. This, when it came out, I think was around $13 US. Now it should go around the 18 maybe 18, 19 US dollars. It does have a little resale, this car, just because it's a Porsche. Same thing goes with the 992 GT3s. But this being a Le Mans hypercar is a little less detailed because it's a hypercar. But it does keep that pretty fresh paint job, which I do love. 24 hours. Pretty nice. Pretty nice. So if you were interested in what I got in the meantime, I got these. I got... Oh, man. There you go. I've got the Liberty Walk RX-7, which came out quite a long time ago now. But I got that recently, right before the 963, and I forgot to make a video. I put some Japanese plates on this. Pretty nice. I recommend you do so as well. Pretty nice. And I've got the Nimble Mad Mike's Huracan rear-wheel drive. So I think this is new tooling because the bumper has been revised, I'm pretty sure. The rear end, a little different. You got that diffuser that might have changed, I'm not sure. From the previous generation all-wheel drive Huracans that were Liberty Walks. So I've got these two Liberty Walks. And the 963 Penske Motorsport, as you can see, massive, massive, massive compared to a regular road car, even a Liberty Walk. Yeah. Very different. So yeah, pretty interesting to have that. I will slow down the rate in which I make my videos. But, yeah, I'll just start to go over my collection because there's not really anything that has come out that I'm pretty interested in. I mean, let me know if you guys want to see something else, maybe a Ferrari tour, because I sold a lot of my 164s. Yeah, just sold a lot of my 164s, and yeah, I needed money, and so yeah, my collection has been reduced by a massive amount. But this was the 963 Penske Motorsport hypercar from Mini GT. Number 75. Thank you guys for watching. I will see you guys maybe next week, maybe this week, maybe in a month. I don't know. Depends on the state of the collection. Yeah, that's it. Thank you guys for watching. Bye-bye.